So continuing to the topic of self-care, it is the time for children to go back to their schools. Now we have to follow the concept that will help the children while going back to their school, because एक month की छुट्टी हो जाती है तो everybody gets careless. They are unhabitual of waking up early. Eating habits चली जाती हैं, vacation से होके आते हैं children. So ma'am, like basically my little brother, he is in his home for like 1 month properly. तो अभी वो ना सुबह जल्दी उठेगा ना उसको कुछ खाना है. He is totally destroyed. So अभी वो स्कूल वापस जाएगा. So how can I guide?
So I would first say don't try to preach him, instruct him, do this, do that. So never do that. And yes, be his role model. So you and the parents, they can be the role models generally. And so we can just, maybe we can start conditioning a few days prior to the school reopening. And we can like start with giving a jadoo ki jhappi.
Jadoo ki jhappi is very important for small children.
Yes. So ये नहीं कि आप उन्हें you are shouting and yelling and calling out their name. Yeah, so don't call out their name, and maybe you are sleeping in different rooms and you are calling his name. Okay, get up, Arnab. No, don't do that. Just go up to him, give him a hug, and maybe lie down with him in the bed and spend a few seconds, just 1 minute, 2 minutes, and that will be the best start of the day. That is what I would say.
अभी वो स्कूल जाएगा वापस. उसकी बात अगर हम करें, उसके एज ग्रुप की बात करें, so like children starting from 4th going up to 6, 7, 8 standard, so they lose their daily routine.
Absolutely.
They are following the vacation mode. Their vacation mode is on.
Absolutely.
They're going to places. They're eating junk.
Yeah.
So like, what is the primary focus a parent, a brother, big brother, should focus on?
Yeah, absolutely. First, what I was saying was, you need to make a schedule for them.
Okay.
You need to prepare them to come back to the routine. The school, and otherwise it will all of a sudden एकदम से हमें कोई बहुत सारा बड़ा सा टास्क मिल जाए तो हम overwhelmed हो जाते हैं. So start the day with a like hug, and then you can start with some practices, like maybe getting up, and as a family we'll all do 1 minute of meditation or 5 minutes of yoga or some breathing exercises. So
which is, I think, very important for these children.
Yeah,
children from this age group, 6, 7, 8 age group, they are quite lost.
Yes.
Like lost in not, they have their own perspective that we cannot understand sometimes.
Yeah.
They are lost in such a way that if we'll give them a schedule कि तुम्हें ये करना है, so they won't do it.
Yeah.
They think that something is being put on them.
Absolutely.
They are being caged.
Absolutely.
So, that's like.
Absolutely. So you don't have to push them to do anything. You don't have to impose anything on them. You need to be a role model. So that's why I said do it as a family. Once you start doing it and you like take them along, you bring them along, आप आपके साथ वो भी करना सीखेंगे. So you need to model that behavior. Whatever you want to see in your children, you need to do that.
So that they can understand and learn from those activities.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So morning में उठकर meditation, yoga करना है, and then अपने जो morning chores हैं, brushing teeth, freshening up,
activities.
taking bath. उसके बाद just अगर आपके घर में मंदिर है तो हाथ जोड़ना है. So values, spirituality आप बचपन से आप उनमें instill करेंगे.
So बड़े छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, so when I meet them, so what I ask them is that, like, which God do you worship? They're like, what is this? Then I say that which God your family worship. Then they understand that कि पापा रोज सुबह उठ के पूजा करते हैं. We do this Hanuman Chalisa and something like that. I want somebody to be a spiritual leader. I'll start from their childhood.
Absolutely.
So, उनकी ट्रेनिंग एक होगी तो एंड में उनको एक इंसाइट मिलेगा that will ask them to follow and continue this path.
बिल्कुल. So हम बोलते हैं कि initial 7 years of a child, they are the formative years.
Even though I saw this reel on Instagram, so you were talking about these initial stages, right?
Yes. Yeah. So the initial 7 years are the formative years, and whatever we need to see in our children, we need to begin early and instill those values, those traits, those habits early in life.
So that they have no option but to learn.
You can take it that way, or they will definitely they'll become like they are your followers. So जैसे हम discipline की भी बात करते हैं parenting में, तो वो discipline डंडे वाला discipline नहीं. Disciple means follower. So whatever you are doing, they are following. So if you want them to be disciplined, be disciplined yourself. Demonstrate that.
Exactly.
Model
So,
that.
like, if I want something to happen, like be the change you want to see.
Yes. So गांधी जी ने बोला था ना, be the change yourself which you want to see out there in the world. So that is what we are.
That's what made him a Mahatma.
Yeah.
So this course that he delivers, and basically what I do is that I take examples and information and knowledge from popular personalities. I read their books. I then tell my little ones that, bro, you should understand this. ये हो रहा है तो भैया, what is this? I don't understand. So I think इन बच्चों को they need time. तो हमें उनके इस ग्रुप में जो उन्हें समझ आ रहा है उस समय वो समझाना चाहिए हमें.
बिल्कुल वो समझाना चाहिए. और जैसे जो स्कूल की बात आई, तो अभी से आप उनका स्केड्यूल बनाइए, चाहे अभी स्कूल खुले नहीं है, बट वो मॉर्निंग में उसी टाइम पर उठना है, फिक्स टाइम पर उठना है. फिर जैसे आपने उन्हें हक कर लिया, उसके बाद आपने मॉर्निंग शोज हो गए, उसके बाद आपने पूजा या थोड़ा योगा मेडिटेशन, देन मे बी दे आर जस्ट सिटिंग इन वन प्लेस एंड स्टडिंग फॉर दैट टाइम, एंड देन दे आर टेकिंग अ ब्रेक एज दे वुड टेक इन द स्कूल. सो फॉलोइंग दैट स्ट्रक्चर एंड schedule, so begin it right now, even before the schools are open.
Okay, so what we need to do is that everything happening in your children's life, your life, and somebody like from the youth, like of my age, if we are disturbed, if you are disturbed and you need guidance, I would really suggest you to visit Ritu ma'am, because we have been shooting podcasts and we have been talking about something, being very precise. We talked about self-care and we talked about the tips that children should follow and parents should help them before their schools, before joining their schools. So what I got to know is that the more we get into the topic, the less we are worried about it.
Yes.
So the more we are having this information in our mind, we'll be less furious. So lack of knowledge, I think, is the only issue that is happening.
So lack of knowledge and preparedness. So if we prepare well, चाहे हमें स्कूल जाना है, चाहे हमें कोई टॉक देना है, चाहे हमें कोई कॉन्फ्रेंस में जाना है, so the more prepared we are, the less overwhelmed we'll be.
So the more prepared we are, the less overwhelmed we will feel.
Yeah.
So just like that, and to just follow us on our Instagram and subscribe our YouTube channel, because we will share these informative insights with you on regular basis. And if you really want the best life coach, you should visit Dr. Ritu. Stay tuned to know more.
Thank you, Pranav. Thank you, everyone.